It's a 2019 GMC Yukon. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Ecotec 3 engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear park assist, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.